Hi guys, it's Phil from TeachBlend, and in this video I'm just going to go over my 5 top educational apps for 2021 and how I think these apps can really improve lessons and help support learners as well as yourself. So they're in no particular order, so let's get going. So my first one, number 1, is Wakelet. Now Wakelet is a fantastic tool, and if you haven't used it, it's a free product that allows you to digitally bookmark websites and resources. So it essentially allows you to create collections that students can then access, and this can be from reading materials to lesson resources and more. You can insert videos, past exam papers, etc. Students can also use this fantastic website and use it to create portfolios and evidence of work. So my first one is Wakelet. My second, number 2, would have to be either Microsoft Teams or Google Classroom as a glue. So here, this is essentially you having one central location to post various resources and information. My preference is Microsoft Teams, and what it allows you to do is essentially hold meetings, create assignments, embed extra apps, facilitate conversations and more. So Microsoft Teams, number 2, use it to host all of your content, resources, information, hold your meetings, set your assignments and communicate with your learners, as well as in bringing in other apps such as Wakelet that you can embed in. Okay, number 3, bit of an OG, but still relevant in 2021. Fantastic tool. Bit of a shame that the free only allows you to have a couple of them now, but Padlet is still a fantastic tool. This essentially is like a digital notice board, post-it notes. So you imagine you get your students to write on a post-it note, pop it on the board. Padlet works very similar to that. It's obviously got more advanced features, but it essentially allows students and staff to collaborate on one space with little posts. These can be videos, audios, screen captures, text, images from websites, links, etc., all on one collaborative board. And you have various templates as well, such as like a timeline view and a shelf view. So yeah, give Padlet a look. Like I say, it's a bit of an OG, but still a fantastic tool to be used in the classroom. So I've got 2 more left, and I thought about these and what I would use, and I must say that Flipgrid is a new tool that I think is absolutely fantastic. What Flipgrid is it's essentially video responses. So you can pose a question or ask students to demonstrate a skill, for example, and they use their phones and cameras or even a desktop PC with a webcam attached to record a response to you. So it's a bit like an educational TikTok essentially / Instagram stories. They can record themselves, add GIFs, and it really does facilitate some fantastic discussion. So yeah, give Flipgrid a look at. It's a fantastic tool. So that leaves me with just one more tool to use in the classroom, and I must say I really like Earpod. Earpod's a fantastic one that you should have a look at, especially if you're still doing remote sessions. And what this does is it allows you to share your slides with learners, but also actually get them to participate as well. So you can upload a PowerPoint, or you can create them directly in Earpod, and you can have things such as polls. You can have like even quizzes and games. You can have matching exercises, all while doing your session. So useful when you're teaching in classroom, but also online as well. Word clouds, polling, all those kind of things while you're teaching. So that's my top 5 for this video. There's obviously loads more. Drop them in the comments, and I'll probably do another top 5 which is totally different, all based on your responses and when I learn more and more. So hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please remember to like and subscribe to TeachBlend. It really does help.